Hi, welcome to video number 2 of Treasure Coach LinkedIn 2.0 video course. In this video we will discuss about what is LinkedIn and why it is important to use it right now. So let's get started. We all know about Facebook and Twitter social networks, but I personally never paid close attention to LinkedIn and was amazed about huge benefits which it has. That is why, in my opinion, LinkedIn is like a gold mine. According to different researchers, LinkedIn is #1 professional network in the world, which nearly close to 100 million professionals in it, and 50% of them are from United States. It is professional profile to the world. Google your name and you will see what will come first after using LinkedIn techniques. You can use LinkedIn to establish expertise in particular niche very effectively. We can use to source of employees, prospects and partners for our business. Also, I do recommend you to have a look on missions on different social networks. So let's open Facebook. Okay, and click at About. And as you can see right here, Facebook mission is to make the world more open and connected. Now let's go back to Twitter. And also click at link About. And as you can see, Twitter is a real-time information network that connects you to the latest stories, ideas, opinions and news about what you find interesting. Simply find the accounts you find most compelling and follow the conversations. And if let's go back to LinkedIn. As you can see, mission of LinkedIn is simple: connect the world's professionals to make them more productive and successful. Do you see the power of this network with monetization and with income? When you join LinkedIn, you get access to people, jobs, news, updates and insights that help you to be great at what you do. So, a real power of LinkedIn is that we can use LinkedIn for position and branding yourself, to build network, to find great GV partners for any type of business, to generate new customers, and with big numbers of professionals inside LinkedIn, it is really a very huge market. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this system which I will teach you is automated system. It will work for you over and over again. Now, as I mentioned, 50% of users inside LinkedIn is coming from United States. And according to the Wall Street Journal, Forbes and Business Week, it has higher household income than all other social networks. That's mean excellent market for us. And in my opinion, there are 3 ways of income you can generate right now at LinkedIn. I mean really right now. They are marketing, career advancement and joint ventures. With marketing, you can increase your sales, expand your subscriber list, drive more traffic, and more traffic means more conversions, more sales. You can get very targeted responses and you will be able to get automated sales funnel. And sure, I will cover all these issues in next videos. Regarding career advancement, LinkedIn is a perfect place for you to find new opportunities and contact directly with your employers. And regarding joint venture, which is in my opinion is the biggest advantage of LinkedIn, imagine you will be able to get other people promoting your services. Your message will reach out to thousands of new potential customers. You will get a team of high quality advisors or mentors. You will leverage tool to get your message out to larger audience. And by the way, I was amazed one more time from LinkedIn nearly 1 month ago. Actually, this is a real personal case study. And the story was the next one. I wanted to promote more our system of building apps, appsmoment.com. And I found one great place for that. Let me show you. Is appsumo.com. Yeah, this one. So I wanted to contact this company somehow, and I decided to use power of LinkedIn in this situation. And I made a search in LinkedIn for AppSumo. And I got couple contacts. I decided to contact one guy which did work in this company before. Actually it was this one, and I have sent a request to this guy, and in less than 12 hours I got a reply, and he provided me a direct email address to SEO of appsumo.com. Can you imagine that? I was sitting in another part of the world, and now I can contact directly to a person which can help me promoting my services. This is awesome, you know. So I believe that now you understand about my exciting feelings with LinkedIn, and personally I don't like to talk too much, and I want to show you particular right now awesome methods of using LinkedIn. And in next video we will start with creating and fixing your profile in LinkedIn, and it will also allow you to rank any keyword in LinkedIn within like 24 hours. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in another one.